Ever wondered what the difference is between artificial intelligence and machine learning? These terms are often used interchangeably, but they represent distinct concepts that are shaping our world. In this video, we'll delve into the intricacies of AI and machine learning, exploring their definitions, applications, and the relationship between them. Define artificial intelligence as a broad field of computer science that aims to create intelligent agents capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. Define machine learning as a subset of AI that focuses on teaching computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time. Machine learning algorithms can identify patterns and relationships within data, enabling them to make predictions and decisions. By analyzing past data, machine learning algorithms can predict future outcomes or trends. Machine learning can be used to solve complex problems, such as optimization, classification, and regression. The types of machine learning are supervised learning and unsupervised learning. In supervised learning, algorithms are trained on labeled data to learn a mapping function between inputs and outputs. Examples include regression and classification. In unsupervised learning, algorithms are trained on unlabeled data to discover patterns and structures within the data. Examples include clustering and dimensionality reduction. Machine learning is a fundamental component of artificial intelligence. It focuses on teaching computers to learn from data and improve their performance over time. When we're doing machine learning, in fact, we're doing AI. It's not all of AI, but it's a very important part of AI. Goal-oriented versus data-driven. AI is often goal-oriented, aiming to achieve specific objectives. Machine learning is data-driven, focusing on learning from data to improve its performance. General intelligence versus specific tasks. AI seeks to develop systems that can exhibit general intelligence, meaning they can learn, reason, understand, and apply knowledge across a wide range of domains. On the other hand, machine learning algorithms are specifically designed to excel at particular tasks, such as image recognition, natural language processing, or predictive analytics. Human intervention. AI systems may require more human intervention to define goals and provide guidance, while machine learning algorithms can often operate more autonomously. If you're learning something new in this video, give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell to encourage us for making more videos like this. Some applications of AI and machine learning are: 1. Self-driving cars. AI and machine learning algorithms enable autonomous vehicles to perceive their surroundings, make decisions, and navigate safely. 2. Recommendation systems. AI and machine learning are used to analyze user data and provide personalized recommendations for products, movies, music, and more. 3. Medical diagnostics. AI-powered algorithms can analyze medical images, detect diseases, and assist in diagnosis and treatment planning. 4. Natural language processing, NLP. AI and machine learning are used to enable computers to understand and process human language, enabling applications like chatbots, language translation, and sentiment analysis. 5. Image and video recognition. AI and machine learning algorithms can analyze images and videos to identify objects, people, and scenes. 6. Fraud detection. AI and machine learning are used to detect fraudulent activity in areas like financial transactions and insurance claims. As AI and machine learning continue to advance, their impact on our lives will only grow. By understanding the differences between these powerful technologies, we can better appreciate their potential and navigate the challenges they present. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.